Gohighlevel versus System.io. Make the right decision. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you which marketing automation platform is better among Gohighlevel and System.io. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So beginning with Gohighlevel. Gohighlevel combines CRM, marketing automation, sales funnels, and more into a single platform, making it convenient for businesses and agencies. Includes tools for managing client accounts, making it an excellent choice for marketing agencies and consultants. Offers white labeling options, allowing agencies to brand the platform as their own when offering services to clients. Provides integrated SMS, email, and call tracking features, enabling multi channel communication from one platform. Generally more affordable, especially for agencies managing multiple clients. Due to its comprehensive features, Gohighlevel may have a steeper learning curve for new users. While it offers many built-in tools, it has fewer native integrations compared to HubSpot, best suited for agencies, which may not be ideal for all types of businesses. Now, let's come towards System.io. System.io includes tools for building sales funnels, managing email marketing, creating online courses, and running affiliate programs. Provides features for managing affiliate programs, making it easier for businesses to leverage affiliate marketing. Offers a more affordable solution for entrepreneurs and small businesses with a comprehensive set of tools at a lower price point. Designed with simplicity in mind, making it accessible even to those without technical expertise. Users can get started quickly with pre designed templates and easy to use tools. Somehow, it lacks some of the more advanced automation and CRM features available in Gohighlevel. Compared to Gohighlevel, System.io offers fewer customization options and advanced features. While suitable for small to medium sized businesses, it may not offer the scalability and depth required by larger enterprises or complex operations. Choosing between Gohighlevel and System.io depends on your business's specific needs and budget. In 2024, the better choice depends on whether you prioritize advanced features and customization Gohighlevel or affordability and ease of use System.io. That's all for this video.